Established in 2013, Foshan Yunzhangfurniture Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter that is concerned with the design, development, and production of hotel furniture and dining room furniture, mainly with metal and stainless steel materials. The production of various types of chair, sofa, table, and coffee table, and other hotel furniture and indoor furniture. We're located in Guangdong, Foshan, with convenient transportation access. Our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets. We have 59 employees. Our company has many years of experience in development teams and skilled production technicians. Can accept the customization of diversified products. Our main markets are North America, South America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Europe. Our well-equipped facilities and strict quality control throughout stages of production enable us to guarantee customer satisfaction and can customize the product through the drawings provided by the customer. We accept a large number of OEM production orders. As a result of our reliable quality products and professional customer service, we have gained a global sales network reaching American states, Middle East, and European countries. If you're interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom product order, please feel free to contact us. We're looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.